Bachelor, let us learn 40 Dinka words and we translate them into English words. Number one, Ran. Ran mean person. Person. Number two, Ayar. Ayar or you say Ayar Gup. Ayar Gup mean shame. Shame. To feel ashamed. Number three, Aryup. Aryup. Aryup mean reward. Reward. Number four, Anyuan. Anyuan. Anyuan mean rubbish. Rubbish. Number five, Atip. Atip mean shadow. Number six, Atwany. Atwany mean sick. Sick, you are sick. Number seven, Biet. Biet in Dinka mean silent. Number eight, Nial. Nial. Nial mean sky. Sky. Number nine, Nyat. Nyat. Nyat mean cloud. Number 10, Alony. Alony. Alony mean sleep. Number 11, Benin. Benin mean sleep. Number 12, Aneknin. Aneknin. Aneknin mean sleepy. 13, Randet. Randet mean someone. Number 14, Chwai. Chwai. Chwai mean soup. Number 15, Bijam. Bijam. Bijam mean to speak. To speak. Number 16, Jam. Jam. Jam mean speech. Number 17, Bitiaifin. Bitiaifin. Bitiaifin mean to spread. Number 18, Bekwal. Bekwal. Bekwal mean steal. In Chirap kwal. Dug bekwal. Duweng bekwal. Don't steal the cow. Number 19, Yach. Yach. Yach mean stomach. Number 20, Arem Yach. Arem Yach. Arem Yach or Arem Yach mean stomach ache. Stomach ache mean you have pain in your stomach. Number 21, Dot. Dot. Dot mean stone. Stone. Stone mean dot in Dinka language. Number 22, Biliek. Biliek. Biliek mean to swallow. To swallow. Biliek. Liek mean swallow. Biliek mean to swallow. 23, Kwang. Kwang ka uanga. Kwang. Kwang mean swimming. Number 24, Bekwang. Bekwang mean to swim. Number 25, Ran Kwang. Ran Kwang. Ran Kwang means swimmer. Number 26, Achibut. Achibut means swollen. Something that is swollen. Number 27, Yol. Yol. Yol mean tail. Number 28, Mong. Mong. Mong mean conversation. Conversation. Number 29, Krach Apaidit. Krach Apaidit mean terrible. Terrible. Number 30, Pinnum. Pinnum. Pinnum mean wall. The wall. 31, Bidier. Bidier. Bidier mean to worry. To worry. Number 32, Ngam. Ngam. Nga-a-ama. Ngam. Ngam mean yawn. You are yawning. Number 33, Theme. Theme. Theme mean sneezing. Number 34, All. All. All mean coughing. You are coughing. Number 35, Diao. Diao mean to cry. Crying. Number 36, Achimol. Achimol. Achimol mean you are crazy. Crazy. Number 37, Ariosh. Ariosh. Ariosh mean coward. Coward. Number 38, Atir. Atir. Atir mean or tear mean argument. It's called atir or tear is argument. Number 39, Kwon. Kwon ka u o onya. Kwon mean to help someone. Help. Number 40, Yetok. Yetok mean alone. You are alone. 41, Byron Pioj Thoŋjäŋ. William Majak. Follow for more Dinka lessons. The YouTube name is called Dinka Learning Class. This one, Dinka Learning Class, is a YouTube name. If you want, you can go and subscribe to watch the full video. Bin nyalik abuwek doj, bin nyalik real kekewek, don nyalik kewek, Wiania, Ayan, William, Bajak, Malek Ding. Bye. Ugaban yok.